Grabe yun, no? Iba talaga. Eh! Ito yung maganda kay Sarah G. Whenever she's singing a song, nag-a-adapt siya kung anong genre yung kailangan na boses. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sholichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for Sarah Geronimo and Rachel Ann Go. Yes, singing Wicked Medley. We receive a request, guys, on Instagram from one of the pop stars who's watching our reaction video for Sarah Geronimo before that to react dito nga sa kanilang performance ng Wicked Medley. And just a fun fact, guys, this performance was 10 years ago. Yes, it was 10 years ago, guys. Kahit ako na-surprise ako na, oh my God, yung request sa akin ay 10 years ago. Wherein Sarah G is celebrating like her 10th anniversary concert. Diba? At kasama niya dito si Rachel Ann Go, kumanta sila ng Wicked Medley, which is For Good and Defying Gravity. Dahil naman Wicked season na, excited tayong reactan to, guys. Kasi it's my first time that I will see Sarah G and of course Rachel Ann Go singing a Broadway song which is from Wicked. So excited tayo dyan. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. See, it's the perfect 10 concert of Sarah G. And mega love shoutout to Critico for uploading this. Oh my God, they're gonna sing For Good. Have you watched Wicked, guys? Sobrang galing. Ganda ng gown nila. Hold on, guys. I can't imagine 10 years na to, but it feels so present.
This is our song, sis. Sobrang sakto sa atin.
Aww. Bata pa nila dito pala. Wow. Oh my God, nakakatawa. Parang recent lang ng performance and I can feel the Wicked movie feels because of this. Diba? Nakakamiss yung ganitong kantahan ni Sarah G na very ballad. Diba? Kailan kaya ulit magkaganitong kantahan si Sarah? God. Parang kahapon lang yung performance, guys. Wow, grabe yung, alam mo yung vibrato ni Sarah G, saying it the Broadway way. Ito yung maganda kay Sarah G, whenever she's singing a song, nag-a-adapt siya kung anong genre yung kailangan na boses. Diba? And the diction, guys, galing. Wow! Diba, guys, lagi silang pinag-aaway before. Para siyang Britney Spears and Christina Aguilera of the Philippines. But They're so BFF. As in, yung friendship nila, super solid.
So much of me is amazing what I learned from you.
Wow. And of course, Rachel Ango is in Broadway talaga.
Handprint on my heart, and now whatever our stories say,
Grabe din ang boses na ng isang Rachel Ango, guys.
I know you have lived in mine, like being my
Aww.
best friend.
Best friend, di ba? They're really best of friends. Solid with Eric Santos, Yang. Yung mga dating ASAP champions, talagang solid yung friendship. Grabe din ang pagka-Broadway ni Rachel. Grabe, yung hagod. Diba yung bat? Oh my God. Parang parehas yung arrangement talaga doon sa movie, ah. Wow! Diba? Sobrang galing. Let's see. Ito na, Defying Gravity, guys. Diba? Nagbago agad yung genre ni Sarah G. Diba? Broadway na. Wow! The harmony. Diba? The high notes is Sarah G and the low notes is Rachel Ango. Perfect combination. Ito yung original version talaga ng Defying Gravity. Hey! Ibang ni Rachel Ango. Kaya napunta talaga siya sa Broadway, guys. Wow! Oh my God! Grabe yun, no? Iba talaga ang Defying Gravity. Iba yung, epekto. May pag-anong pa to. Grabe. And the stage is very Emerald City. Wow! Diba? Head tone, yun ang special head tone ni Sarah G. Grabe, alam mo, 10 years ago pala, may mga ganito ng medley song ng Wicked, and it sounds like yesterday. Hey! Oh my God! God! Sino magkakalang 10 years ago na to, guys? Galing! There you have it, guys. That is Sarah Geronimo and Rachel Ango singing Wicked medley of For Good and Defying Gravity. Grabe! 10 years ago for this performance, but it feels like yesterday. Sobrang galing. Um, Nakakatuwa to see Sarah G singing this kind of song, no? Taka, nakakamiss yung gano'n. Kasi medyo nag-switch na siya ng genre, of course. 20 years in the industry. Sobrang dami ng na-try ni Sarah G na genre. And ngayon, she's in the like, super pop music, dance, like, Gen Z, SB19 vibe, and Beanie vibe kind of song. And we miss this kind of performance from Sarah G. Kaya naman, thank you so much sa nag-request nito sa aking Instagram na hindi ko alam na 10 years ago na pala kasi naman dahil showing yung Wicked. So, akala ko nag-perform si Sarah G at si Rachel Ango ng Wicked for Good. Oo, at hindi naman pala ito. 10 years ago na, but still, parang bago and it's a classic, diba? So, it's so refreshing to see these amazing vocal artists na talaga namang icon na sa Pilipinas. Rachel Ango in Broadway and Sarah G in the pop music scene. Grabe, exceptional music artist. How about you guys? What can you say about this performance? Akala nyo din ba kahapon lang to? You can comment down below. And of course, if you have any other requests, you can always comment down below and we will check that out for you. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisure Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.